Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, DPR EN with a song called Peanut Butter and Tears. What a great title there, Peanut Butter and Tears. And this one's, strange song. I don't know why, but it's kind of a modern, jazzy feeling to it. I don't know why. I think it's strange, but it's a great one. So we'll give this one a try. It's only 2 chords, guys, going back and forth, so very, very easy. Since it's 2 bar chords, we don't need any capo for this. All right, so we're going clean. And the 2 chords are G sharp minor and A sharp minor 7. So the G sharp minor is a bar here on the 4th fret over all strings. And then you need to add 6 here on the A string and 6 on the D string. That's the G sharp minor. Then you move your bar 2 frets towards you to the 6th position. So the 6th fret here. And your bar still are all strings there. And then the rest will be 8 on the A string, and that's it. That's the A sharp minor 7. So G sharp to A sharp like this. That's the only thing you need to work with when it comes to the fretboard hand. Now we will look at the strumming pattern, going back to the G sharp here, and it goes down, clap, down, down, clap, down. All right, sounds like this. So that is down, clap, down, down, clap, down. So down, clap, down, down, clap, down. And in a context, a couple of rounds of it to get the feeling for the rhythm. It sounds like this. Yeah, but it's not only the G sharp, so we need to incorporate the A sharp as well. So you do that in playing 2 rounds of the G sharp, and then you switch to the A sharp and play 2 rounds of that as well. And guess what? You're going back and play 2 rounds of the G sharp like this. Back and forth, 2 rounds per chord, and that's it. Sounds. That's it, guys. DPR, EN, Peanut Butter and Tears. It doesn't have to be harder than that sometimes. 2 chords. Good luck with this one, guys. And until next time, play tuned.